This video is about CodeCombat.com, which is a website that has lots of different languages, and it's a free website for students or for teachers. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push play, and then we're going to go and take a look at the first dungeon, which allows us to play, and it's going to teach us about syntax and methods and parameters, strings, loops, and variables. This is not for the younger students. This is for people who are a little bit older. And when you're exploring this, this is actually Python. So we're going to go into the first one here, which is the dungeons, and it teaches you about basic syntax.
For the win!
So what's going to happen is we're going to use Python as the default language, but you could use JavaScript or CoffeeScript. So we're just going to use Python, and I'm going to click Next. And the first thing that happens is that you're given some basic stuff, so shoes. And with the shoes, when you double click it, they now have shoes, whereas these ones are locked. So with shoes, what you can do is you can move up, down, you can move right, left. So we're going to play
CodeCombat.
So the goals are to avoid the spikes and collect the gem, and you can guide your hero by writing some code. So we're going to start the
For the
level here.
win!
Grab the treasure.
So that's where the treasure is, and so
You can use these methods.
So that means I can move down.
Type
I can
your
move
code
left,
on the right.
and I can do those things. Continue. So right now, what we have is she's here, and what I want her to do is she's moved to the
Type a
right.
move down command on line 6.
And so I'm going to type in hero dot move down, and then when I push run, this thing over on the left hand side, she's going to move from one place to the other. Okay, so now I need her to move right again. So I'm going to type in hero move right, run the whole thing, and so she's going to go down, and then she's picked up this, and then we say that she's done.
What a team!
So this is the gamification, and so when you're doing this, you can go from the first place to the second place all the way through here, and you can build this up. So this is CodeCombat.com, and it teaches you some rudimentary things. I would suggest that this is probably something that you could use anywhere from grade 6 up. I'm going to use it with grade 7s and also grade 8s, and we'll see how that works out.